Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I am showing the following new application in the Canva called Shape Cropper. Is it a tiny easy application where you can crop anything from a image with a certain frame or shape. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So, as I mentioned, we can crop any shape, not any, sorry, lots of shapes from a picture. Hope so this will be increased soon, but at the moment it's a bit limited. But I'm going to show now. So I already opened a new Canva. I just added the same image. So I just select the image, go into the edit, scrolling down to the apps, and I'm just choosing this shape cropper. And here, if I just scrolling down, select all, and here is the frames or shapes what we can use for cropping. So this, as I said, that's not any kind of shapes what we would like to crop. That's at the moment a bit limited, but guessing that will be increased soon. But as you can see, we have basic shapes, some animals, letters, numbers, symbols, and some other, but for sure this will be increased soon. So I just would like to use this heart at the moment, and here we can zoom the image, zoom in, zoom out, and with the left mouse button we can moving the image inside. So I'm just, yeah, this one I would like to crop this portion, scrolling down, add to design, and here we have it. And so what I did in the other one, I just, as you can see, and just added this to the same position of it was before, and then just add some shadow. So here we can add shadow, or just go into the edit. I mean, go into the edits. We can add shadows. So I can go some drop shadow, and even if you want, we can also change a bit like a duotone, just changing the colors. At the moment I just don't want to change anything else. It's a bit difficult, but now we're going to the transparency, reducing the transparency. Have to increase the bit. Yeah, now it's good. And if we're going back to the transparency, increasing back. So it's here is the final outcome. That's actually a pretty cool feature. We can use it in different ways. So if you just need this heart shape filled with this part of the image, this is also good. Or just we just would like to highlight something in the image somehow, like even if we can use the circle or just a square, and changing something on the portion of the image. This is also a good option. Or like here I just added a shadow, plus I just changed the color settings of the image, even if you just would like to play with image, so not using this duotone, just go into the adjust, and here we also can change like the lights or even the colors or saturation, just going down or increasing. This is just small tips what we can do with this effect, which is actually pretty cool. I really like it, so hope so you also like it and also like the tutorial. If you really like the tutorial, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment in a comment section if you are struggling anything in a Canva or any other AI tools. I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also visit my Facebook page. You can find the link in the description also, where you can find lots of tutorials about Canva and AI stuff, not only from me, also from other Canva experts. Plus, you can find tons of text to image prompts for different application. If you are also interested on this, you can find lots of different prompts. So that was today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.